Hey, Mr. Newman, my name is Paul with Grassfire Digital Marketing, and I'm in Fayetteville, Arkansas. And in this video, I want to show you 3 things that you can do today to help bring you guys more customers to your business off of your website. I talked to Will. He said to send this to you, and you're probably sitting there thinking, why is this guy sending me a video about my website and what's in it for him? But oftentimes what we find are business owners are just too busy running their business, doing the things that they do, servicing their customers to really understand how a website ranks when someone searches for specific terms in Google. And that's what I want to show you. I want to give you a free attack plan that just outlines in a simple form that shows you exactly what we do to actually get your site to rank high and get you guys found and get customers calling you guys. So that has resulted in owners just calling us and saying, hey, Paul, we understand this. Please help us with this. And that's what we love to do, help you guys grow your business, help you guys get found in specific markets, and really just help you boost your income. And by the end of this video, if you like what you see here, I'd love to chat with you further about your business, where you guys are specifically doing business. I know you guys are a national firm, but I'm sure you guys focus on some specific areas as well. And if at the end of this video you see that I've given you some information and there's some tips and tricks in here that I show you how we do this, shoot me a quick email back or give me a call and let's chat about how we can help you guys. But also, it's cool if you guys just want to take this information and run with it yourselves. That's fine with me as well. I don't want to waste any more of your time. I know you're busy, and let's just dive in and show you the 3 things that Google looks for when they're ranking you guys and how to outrank your competition, really dominate them. So I just typed in commercial HVAC, Nashville, Tennessee. I know you guys, I believe, are in Nashville, and I know you're a national HVAC company, but right now you're losing the battle online for commercial HVAC in Nashville. So as you can see, when I search for that term in Google, Maynard pulls up, Total Group, Donaldson Air pulls up again in the map pack section. In the organic section, Donaldson Air pulls up again. Kimbrough Mechanical, Parker HVAC, just some others. You guys aren't high on that list at all, and so I'm going to show you where that works. So what Google is looking for is 1,500 words minimum of content on this homepage, and they're wanting to rank you guys for an authority in a specific area for a specific thing. And I know you guys are broad and national, and that's a little bit harder to do on a national scale. But when you can do this by ranking some back pages. So if there are locations where you guys specifically want to target, like, hey, I want to get business in Nashville. Hey, I want to get business in Memphis, or I want to get business in New York City or Chicago. Wherever you guys are trying to do business, there's a way to do that by searching out what those keywords are and what the volume is and what the difficulty is of ranking that. And really finding where do you need to get business off of your website and where do you not need to go after it. So I want to show you just what Donaldson is doing. They've got content on their page. They don't have 1,500 words by any stretch, but they do have some content on there. So even if I click on this little wave image right here, I can save that image and it's going to open up and ask me, tell me what that image is right now. It's image-asset. That's not going to get you any business at all coming your way from Google standpoint. So what I would do is I would name that little wave thing a specific search term like commercial HVAC, Nashville, Tennessee, whatever we are trying to capture search for. And that's just another little way, that a little trick that we do to get your website just working a little bit harder for you guys. Now, in addition to the content, that is going to get reflected into these keywords. So I'm going to click on your keywords. This is your website right here, and you're being found right now for National HVAC Service. All of this stuff is in your name, National HVAC Company. You guys are in good shape for that as far as that specific search term. But when someone specifically is wanting HVAC in Tennessee and Nashville, they want to search that specific term. And right now, there's just nothing on your page that is tying your service to any specific town. And I know you probably want it that way from a national standpoint, but I'm telling you, you can actually make other web pages on your site and rank for specific towns. So let's look at what Donaldson is doing. So they've got Donaldson Heating and Air, of course, their name. So HVAC Service Nashville, that gets searched 60 times a month. They're in position 1. Donaldson Heating and Air, Air Conditioning Service Nashville, Tennessee, 80 searches a month. They're in position 2. Nashville HVAC, 90 searches a month, in position 2. Now you can see 60 and 80 and 90. You start to see this adds up. And so you rank a couple of these search terms on one page for Nashville or in one specific location like that. And you could get 4, 5, maybe 600 searches volume on that, and then pick up 40, 50, 60 customers a month just off of capturing that. And that's what we're looking to do. It's just a way for you actually guys to grow your business off of your website and for specific markets. Now, the second thing Google wants you to do is to get in this map pack here and stay in it and rank high in that are these citations. So this is your business listing, and it's your name, address, and phone number, and it's listed in all these directories online like Yelp, Better Business Bureau, Manta, Facebook, yellowpages.com, all of these things. And so what I do is I put your competitor in here and I put you guys in here, and I see where you guys are ranking against each other. So these guys have 26, these guys have 65, and these guys are going to get ranked higher in Google's eyes. So we can drill down, see which citation they don't have, and go get that for you. If you don't have this one and your competitor does, we go get that one for you, and on and on. And then I like to dominate my competition, so I'm going to add another 100 or plus on top of that so that they can't catch us. They are always in second position. We're always in first position. Google's going to rank us higher based off of that. Third thing are these backlinks. So a backlink is a web page that is referring to another web page. And Google likes to rank these based on the power and strength and if they're in the same industry and not. So if you guys are doing commercial HVAC and say you did it for a Pizza Hut and they linked their website to yours and said, thank you, use these guys we use these guys all the time or whatever. Google's going to look at that and give you a lot of power based off of that. But they're not going to give you as much as if it was like a national blog on HVAC systems that you guys, we did like a guest post and did an article on and then a link to your website or something like that. That's going to be a whole lot more juice. Now, I'm going to show you what that looks like. So here's yours again. You've got some referring domains. See how this one is really strong? This is a pretty good one here. 26, 10, 30. These are nice to have. And it's kind of a popularity contest with Google. Like who has the most is going to get ranked high if they have the other things on their site optimized well. Let's look at Donaldson just for the Nashville market. They don't have a lot. So, you go and you get these specific links that they have that you're missing, and that just helps you guys be even stronger. So we dominate in the citations, we dominate in the backlinks, and we dominate in the content. Your sites move up. Now that happens over time, and it is something that you kind of need to monitor your competition in some of these areas. So that is another thing you need to think about of how much do you want to dominate? How bad do you want to take these markets and continue to just grow your business? I am Paul Heck. I'm with Grassfire Digital Marketing. Like I said, I'm in Fayetteville, Arkansas. I love helping businesses grow their business from their website, actually get more customers calling them. You can reach me at 479-326-7899 or reach back at me on the email. I'd love to talk to you about your business, how you guys are wanting to grow, how we could actually tailor some things on your website to actually take over some of these markets that are larger that you guys could just totally dominate. So I'd love to talk to you, like I said, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video and have a great day. Thank you.